STZ stock analysis for Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. I'm the only guy in this space has done this over 42,000 videos over 5 years. You know, it's taken me tens of thousands of dollars of my own money, invest into courses and mentors, and you get this for risk-free. First link in description. 1,200 people have already tried it, but STZ specifically started shifting the complete other way around, and I'm totally fine with that. The previous idea that I got was only going to be valid if I saw a double break, but it never really happened. The double break never happened, to put it that way. So all I'm going to do is here's the top, and ideally if I do see the price pulling down a bit and giving me some sort of a shift, that's when I'm open-minded for buying. Bro, randomly buying will just not be the case, you know what I mean? So that's that. Here's my confirmation. Obviously waiting for rules, because if rules are not met, I'm not moving forward. And I don't know about you, but I'm a very process driven person. If you want my exact formula, click the first link in the description. Like I said, all 5-star reviews, first link below.